Yeah, I'm gonna play this song because I played it earlier in the cafe. But the reason why is because speaking about the Yiddish, my mother started singing recently in front of people, just the last few years, and we did a concert just several weeks ago for the first time, proper official concert together, which was a huge thing. And I've always grown up with her singing. This influence, of course, just like my grandfather playing violin. Of course it is. When you hear this your whole life, I mean, when I was in her belly, I would have been hearing this. And this song was one of the first songs I heard her sing in the last few years. The way she sings it is, it's just beautiful. It's really lovely. So I mean, I just got that in my head since I played that. We were sitting in a cafe, and I played this tune, and the lovely girl sang it. So yeah, I'm going to play this in light with the Yiddish music. There you go.